Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, let us discuss about the next development financial institution, that is SIDBI. SIDBI stands for Small Industry Development Bank of India. So let's discuss in detail about SIDBI. The Small Industry Development Bank of India, SIDBI, is a financial institution of the Government of India. It was established or set up to promote the small scale industries in our country. So to set up SIDBI, SIDBI was set up on 2nd April 1990 under an Act of Indian Parliament. So SIDBI was set up in the year 1990 under the Act of Indian Parliament. This was a special act to set up SIDBI. So the reason to set up SIDBI was to promote the small scale industries, to provide finance to these industries. So SIDBI act as a principal financial institution for promotion, financing and development of micro, small and medium enterprises, that is MSME. MSME stands for micro, small and medium enterprises sectors, as well as for coordination of functions of institutions engaged in the similar activities. So SIDBI was set up in the year 1990, 2nd April 1990 under the Indian Parliament Act, and the reason or it act as the principal financial institution for the promotion, financing and development of small scale industries like micro, small and medium enterprises. SIDBI is a whole owned subsidiary of IDBI. Okay, so SIDBI is a whole owned subsidiary of IDBI. Next, let's see the mission and vision of SIDBI. So mission of SIDBI is to facilitate and strengthen credit flow of MSME and address both financial and developmental gap in the MSME ecosystem. So to provide credit flow to micro, small and medium enterprises and develop the gap between these enterprises. Next is vision is to emerge a single window for meeting the financial and developmental needs of these sectors, MSME sectors, to make it strong, vibrant and globally competitive, to position SIDBI brand as the preferred and customers friendly institution, and for enhancement of shareholders' wealth and highest cooperative value through modern technology platform. So this is the vision and mission and vision of Small Industry Development Bank of India. Next, the shareholders of SIDBI are the shares of SIDBI are held by the Government of India and 22 other institutions, public sector banks, insurance companies owned or controlled by the central government. So the shareholder pattern, the pattern of shareholding of SIDBI is by Government of India, 22 other institutions, then public sector banks, insurance companies owned or controlled by central government. So you can see this diagram. In this diagram, percentage wise the shareholding pattern of SIDBI is given. So 15.4% the shares are held by Government of India, 16.73% is held by State Bank of India, then 14.25% of shares are held by LIC, 10% is held by NABARD and 43.62% is held by other institutions. These other institutions can be 22 institutions. Okay, so this is the shareholding pattern of SIDBI. Next, now administration of SIDBI. Small Industries Development Bank of India is headed, means the management is headed by board of directors. Along with this board of directors, there is chairman and managing director. So chairman is appointed by Government of India. Next image is about subsidiaries and associate organizations of small industries development Bank of India. So subsidiaries of SIDBIs are SIDBI is SIDBI Venture Capital Limited, SIDBI Trustee Company Limited, Micro Unit Development and Refinance Agency Limited, Receivable Exchange of India Limited, Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for MSES, then India SME Technology Service of Limited, Accurate Rating and Research Limited, India SME Assets Reconstruction Company Limited. So these are the subsidiaries of SIDBI. Next is finance. Which type of finance are offered by SIDBI? So finance facilities are offered by SIDBI. First finance is direct finance, indirect finance and microfinance. So SIDBI offers three types of finance: direct finance, indirect finance and microfinance. So in direct finance, SIDBI offers working capital, long-term, foreign currency loan, support against receivable, equity support, energy saving schemes for micro, small, medium enterprises, etc. under its various direct finance loan scheme. So under this direct finance, SIDBI offers this type of loans to the micro, small and medium enterprises sectors. In indirect finance, SIDBI offers refinance to primary lending institutions comprising banks, state level financial institution, etc. With an extensive branch network across the country. The key objective of refinance scheme is to raise the resource position of primary lending institutions that would ultimately enable the flow of credit to micro, small, medium enterprises. So under indirect finance, SIDBI offers refinance to primary lending institutions. Under microfinance, so SIDBI, Small Industry Development Bank of India, offers microfinance to small businessmen and entrepreneurs for establishing their business. So under microfinance, SIDBI offers finance to the small businessmen and entrepreneurs for establishing their business. So these are the finance facilities. These finance facilities are offered by SIDBI: direct finance, indirect finance and microfinance. Next, let's see the functions of SIDBI. So the functions of SIDBIs are as follows. First, it aims at emerging as a single window to meet the developmental and financial needs of micro, small, medium enterprises in order to make them globally competitive, strong, vibrant, and to protect the institution as a customer-friendly financial body. Next function is it also aims at enhancing the wealth of shareholders through the modern technology platform. Next function is it is the principal institution for the development, promotion and financing of the MSME sectors for coordination of functions of the institution engaged in similar activities. So it provides finance to micro, small, medium enterprises. Next is SIDBI also functions as a nodal implementing agency to various ministries of the Government of India like Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, Ministry of Textile, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Food Processing and Industry, etc. So SIDBI is acting as a implementing agency to all these ministries of Government of India. Next function is it also offers services like factoring, leasing, etc. to industrial concern in the small scale sectors. Next point is it involves in the promotion and development of micro, small, medium enterprises sector. So these are the functions of SIDBI. Thank you. I hope you have understood what is SIDBI, establishment of SIDBI, functions, shareholder pattern of SIDBI. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.